Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the new syllabus mathematics D2 and we are going to solve the question number 1 of exercise 1A. So students, in question number 1, the statement is given 108 identical books have a mass of 30 kg and find the in part 1 we have to find the mass of 150 such books. Yes students, we are going to solve this question. So we have basically two quantities, books and mass. So first we write it as books ratio mass, that is equals to books ratio mass. So in the statement 108 identical books have a mass of 30 kg. So how many books are there? 108 and having mass 30 kg, that is equal to, and in part 1 we have to find out the mass of 150 books. So the books are given 150 and we have to find the mass of 150 books. So let the mass of 150 books be x. Now students, you have learned about the product of extreme is equal to product of means. So product of extreme, there are two quantities 108 and x, and in means, product of means, we will multiply 30 with 150. So first we write it as, we can write it as in the form of fraction also. So 108 over 30 is equal to 150 over x. Now cross multiply. When we cross multiply, 108 is multiplied by x. So we write it as 108 x is equal to 30 multiplied by 150. Now 30 into 150 is 4500. Here we have 108 x is equal to 4500. Now divide 108 by 4500 is divided by 108. Now cancel out these two values. If we cancel out these two values using the divide these two terms by 9. So 9 ones are 9 and 1 is left. It becomes 18, 9 twos are 18 and 9 fives are 45, 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0. So we have x is equal to 500 over 12. X is equal to 500 over 12. So students, again we can cancel out by dividing these two numbers by 4. So 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 1 is left, it becomes 10, 4 twos are 8, 2 is left, it becomes 20. So 4 fives are 20. So now students, we have x is equal to 125 over 3. Now divide 125 by 3. 3 fours are 12, 3 ones are 3, 2 is the remainder. So the value of x is equal to 41 whole 2 by 3 kilogram, because this is the mass of 150 books. Students, this is the answer. Now in part 2, we have to find the number of such books that have a mass of 20 kg. So in this question, we have to find out the number of books and the number of books having the mass of 20 kg. Again we will write it as books ratio to mass, that is equal to books ratio to mass. So 108 identical books have a mass of 30 kg. Books 108 having the mass of 30 kg, that is equals to, we have to find the number of such books. Now in part 2 students, we have to find out the number of books. So let the number of books be x and they have the mass of 20 kg. Now change this proportion into fraction form. 108 ratio to 30, we can write it as in the fraction 108 divided by 30 is equal to x ratio to 20. When changes into fraction, it becomes x over 20. Now cross multiply 108 into 20 and 30 into x. So first we write 30 into x. When we multiply 30 into x, we get 30x. That is equal to 108 into 20. So 108 multiplied by 20. Right? So now multiply 108 with 20. So we get 2160. 30x is equal to 2160. Now divide this value by 30. We have x is equal to 2160 over 30. Now cancel out these values. 0 is cancelled by this 0 and 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21 and 3 twos are 6. So what is the value of x? We get x is equal to 72. So what is x? X is actually the number of books. So we have to find out the number of books, and we have found that the number of books are 72. Students, this is the answer. Students, I hope that you have easily understood the two parts of question number 1, chapter 1, direct and inverse proportion. So if you feel any difficulty and if you have any question, then you can ask and write down your question in comment box. So please subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.